Welcome everyone. Today we are diving into the exciting world of video editing with a comprehensive guide on how to download and install OpenShot video editor. Whether you are a seasoned editor or a complete beginner, this tutorial will walk you through the steps to unleash the power of OpenShot. So let's get started on this fantastic adventure with OpenShot video editor. Without further ado, let the downloading begin. But before that, let's start with the introduction part. So OpenShot Video Editor is an open source video editing software. This software helps you add, combine images, audio and video files. It also allows you to create 3D animated titles that makes the video clip interesting. So some of the advantages of this software is it allows you to make television commercials, online films, videos of parties and gatherings, photo slideshows. Let's have a look at the features of OpenShot Video Editor. There are several attractive features in OpenShot Video Editor. Some of them are: it supports various audio, image and video formats. It allows the addition of multiple images, videos and audio mix and merge. It also allows cropping, trimming and resizing of the audios, videos and image file. You can also insert the files through drag and drop method. It also allows you to set the speed of the video. So now let's see how to download OpenShot Video Editor software free. So to download OpenShot Video Editor for free, you have to go to Google Chrome browser. In the search box, you have to type the name of the software, that is OpenShot Video Editor. The search result has come. So here you can see the first website. This is the official website of OpenShot Editor software, that is www.openshot.org. You have to just click on this website. This interface will come. In this interface, we have to just go to this option, that is download, and downloading option opens. So you have to scroll down and you have to see what is the bit size of your operating system. You have to check first. To check that, you have to right click on this PC, go to properties, and you can see the system type is 64 operating system. If you are using Windows operating system, you have to just click on this download option here. As soon as you click, the download starts in the background. You have to wait for some time until the application is getting downloaded. This 64-bit installer is compatible with Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. You can install this OpenShot Video Editor software free of cost if you are using Windows 7, 8, 10 or 11. You can see the application is downloaded. You can check it by going to the downloads option here, and you can see the icon of the OpenShot Video Editor. You have to just double click on it to install and click on yes. And it will ask you for the language. You have to choose English. As it is, don't do any changes. Click on OK. Select on I accept agreement. Next, and next you have to check this checkbox and click on next, and then finally install, and your software is getting installed. So we can see the application is installed and it is ready for the setup. This box will come. Just click on finish and close this tab. So you can see the application is downloaded in the desktop. To open that, you have to just double click on it. This is how we download the application. After downloading, you have to open it. After opening, this interface will come, this window will come. So this is how we start the OpenShot Video Editor. There is another method to start the application. In the search box, you have to type OpenShot. If you are using Windows 10, Windows 11, if you are using any version of the Windows operating system, in the search box you have to type the name of the software, that is OpenShot. It shows the best result possible in the best match. Click on it and the application will be opened. So this is how we install OpenShot video editor. So thank you for joining me in this tutorial on how to download and install OpenShot video editor. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful in getting started with this fantastic video editing tool. If you encountered any issues or have questions, feel free to drop a comment below and I will do my best to assist you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it helped you and subscribe for more tutorials and tech related content. Remember, your journey in video editing has just begun and there's a world of possibilities waiting for you. Thanks again for watching and I will see you in the next tutorial. Happy editing!